Hey guys, this is Kuro Kid. Got the yards machine here. It's 13.5 horsepower. Gonna do a cold start. We got the choke halfway and the parking brake on to neutral. And that's the deck. That's to engage the blades. So let's see if it starts halfway. And another thing is, this thing will do 6 in reverse. It's pretty awesome. No. Full. It's pretty loud. I have to go move my soccer ball. There we go. She's about to stall. So that's the yards machine. My soccer ball here. Anyway, that was Kuro Kid CR set. I'll see you later.